Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're here today because we're exploring the hidden gems of Helen, Georgia. It's a town with a touch of Bavarian charm right here in the North Georgia mountains. But before we get into the heart of Helen, I've got something special to show you, Unicoi State Park. Unicoi is one of Georgia's most beloved state parks, nestled right in the mountains. It's a sanctuary of peace, quiet, and fresh air, where you're wrapped around wildlife. Here, you can truly unplug and immerse yourself in nature's beauty. For the outdoor enthusiasts out there, this place is paradise. You can hike or bike on some beautiful trails, including a scenic loop around this lake. Or if you're feeling up for a challenge, take the 3-mile trail that leads straight into downtown Helen, where charming shops and a family-owned winery await. But my absolute favorite trail leads to something truly spectacular, Uny Falls. It's a short 0.8-mile hike that follows the banks of Smith Creek all the way up to breathtaking Uny Falls. The walk itself is so peaceful, with the sound of trickling water and the beauty of the surrounding forest to keep you company. Every step along this trail feels serene, especially when you visit in late autumn. The trees above put on a spectacular display of oranges and reds, while the creek below creates a soothing melody as it splashes over rocks and small waterfalls. Just when you think it couldn't get any better than this, the trees open up, and there it is. The sight and sound of the water tumbling is simply mesmerizing. These incredible twin waterfalls are formed where Curtis and York Creeks merge, crashing down at least 150 feet. There are 2 viewing platforms here that give you some amazing perspectives of the falls. Whether you're here to take photos or just relax and soak in the moment, the beauty and power of Uny Falls is something you won't forget. The combination of rushing water and the peaceful surroundings really does make this a special place. It's the perfect place to pause, breathe in the mountain air, and let nature work its magic. If you ever find yourself in Helen, Georgia, or the surrounding area, a trip to Unicoi State Park and Uny Falls is an absolute must. It's the perfect escape for nature lovers, families, or anyone looking to recharge in the beauty of the great outdoors. Thanks for coming along on this adventure. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification button for more travel content, and drop a comment below if you've ever visited or plan to visit Helen, Georgia. Until next time, keep on traveling and bon appetit.